It's a tent for your bed, so you can put your kitty and you inside the tent.
Oh,
That pretty cool?
Thank you.
Well, there was something else in there too. Did you? In there?
Paper.
Hey, that man, you saw that.
So it did feel like a kitty.
Yeah. What kitty is that?
Hissy?
The name of the
She
cat
knows.
is Sissy.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Some sort of Disney too. I don't know.
The show is pretty terrible, but the cat's alright.
Okay.
Puppy
Next.
dog. Oh, look at there.
What is that? Some Legos? Ooh, car Legos looks like.
That's so
Awesome.
cool.
Yeah, that's very cool. Is that like a car?
Yeah, it's cars.
Cars. And a card.
Ooh. Read it to us.
I can't read.
Aww.
Did he?
Can we read it?
As a kid,
Let Daddy.
you go to school next week and learn.
Daddy
this.
read it for
Learn to
me.
read next week.
For you.
Well, not next week. 2 weeks from now. This week. No,
Wishing
it
you
is
a
next week.
gift of
Yeah, next
happiness And your
28th.
birthday all year too. Happy birthday
Right, the
from
28th.
Ashley.
That was nice.
Yes.
No, it's
Yeah,
28th.
thank you.
You're welcome. What else is
Yeah, so
there?
next Monday.
There's something else in there too?
Oh wow.
Oh,
Those are cute.
wow. That's
You
cool.
hold them up.
Yeah, let's see what they look like.
Yeah.
You can't tell what they look like.
And their clothes aren't super fun, but
Yes, they are. She's a girly girl. She likes those
Does
toys.
like
What,
clothes.
what do you say?
Thank you.
Well,
Welcome.
put them nicely. Those are cute.
Yeah.
See something?
Very cute.
You see something?
Another card. Daddy, read us the card.
I'll wait for Ava to open it.
She can read Ava. That's all she said.
Something black.
Something black.
Minnie!
Oh, careful.
Awesome.
It's a Minnie Mouse card.
It
Cool.
says, ready, let's go. Oh,
And
it
it's a
pops up.
pop-up.
And it's got
Ooh,
pom-poms.
those are cool.
Cool. No, show it to us.
It says happy birthday. You see? It says happy birthday. Smile real big, give a cheer, show the world your birthday's here. Hope it's fun and happy too. Hip hip hooray, 3 cheers for you. Love Grandma Judy and Papa.
Yay, that's cool.
Oh,
is that a
that's
game?
cool. Yeah.
Nice. What is it?
Lego
It's a
Star
Lego
Wars.
Star Wars game. Oh man, we got several.
And Lego Star Wars The Complete Saga.
Wow.
Does that one go with the cars or something? You're putting it over there next to it. And what is that? Well, let's see what it is.
Oh, that's a pretty
Oh, that's a cute
Yeah.
shirt. Yeah, I like that. I like that where they're long in the back.
Nope, it's just a shirt.
Oh,
Because I didn't think to
white
take them all.
jeans. Ooh, ooh.
We'll have to make sure we get a picture of
White
that.
jeans.
Let's get white jeans. Those are cool. You have to
Those
wear
are
them to
way
school
cool.
before they get all yucky.
I was going to say, make sure we get a picture of it.
Oh, look at this.
Look how cool this is.
Oh, that is
Got a
cool.
cheap
Look how
jacket.
big that is.
It's a denim
That'll
jacket.
go good with white
That is
jeans. And you got a denim jacket.
That is
Pretty
real
cool. Those are good school clothes.
What's that? Very good.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, you did great.
Yep.
What do you want to open up one of those things or something?